Today we talk about how can you start new conversation on your Zello app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your Zello app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you to send message uh, or create new conversations. So you just go down here, click here in this sign. When you just click on it here, it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. Then here can you start new conversation. Just you find here your contacts. In here can you send message. Then you click on start and it's going to start with you here on your Zero app to start new conversation. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.